Hey guys, and welcome back to Home Decor 101. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got new videos every week to help you transform your home into a space that you truly love. And if you're already part of the family, welcome back. In today's video, let's dive into the world of masculine home decor. What it is, how to spot it, and how to bring that bold, timeless to your own space, whether you are a man or not. I've also handpicked some amazing masculine style decor pieces that you can find on Amazon, so be sure to check the description box below when you're done watching. So let's start with what is masculine home decor. So masculine home decor isn't just for bachelors or man caves. It's a full-on design aesthetic that focuses on clean lines, sturdy materials, and a grounded, refined look, often on the darker side. So think moody color palettes, strong architectural shapes, and a focus on function with just a little bit of drama. This style is all about creating a confident and comfortable atmosphere. Nothing too fussy, but still totally elevated. You'll often see a blend of industrial elements like metal and concrete, rich textures like leather and wood, and classic furnishings that feel purposeful and timeless. But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. So let's talk features. Masculine interiors lean into natural materials, raw wood, matte metal, leather, stone, and sometimes even exposed brick. It's all about strength, durability, and simplicity. The textures do a lot of the talking, so you don't have to see a ton of decorative fluff around. You might notice dark stained woods, sleek matte black finishes, aged brass, or heavy fabrics like wool and tweed. Furniture tends to be lower to the ground, with square or rectangular shapes, very structured and balanced. Another key characteristic, minimalism meets warmth. There's a sense of restraint in the decor choices, but it never feels cold, thanks to the rich, earthy tones and high-quality materials. So now, let's talk color. A masculine palette typically leans towards dark, muted tones, charcoal gray, navy blue, deep forest green, chocolate brown, and of course, black. Neutrals are often layered with these darker hues to keep things from feeling too heavy, too overwhelming, so think warm taupes, soft whites, and grayish tones. These colors help ground the space and make it feel intimate, but still mature. Accent colors are used sparingly, but when they are, they tend to be bold and intentional. Burnt orange, mustard, burgundy, or metallics like brass and gunmetal. I've noticed you don't see a lot of silver in masculine home styles. Doesn't mean that you can't use it, I just don't see it often. So how can you bring this look into your own home? Start with statement furniture. I definitely want you to check out the pieces that I put in the description box. There is a specific accent chair that I am in love with. It's like a metal leather type chair. You just have to check it out. Just click the link, it'll take you to Amazon. It's so pretty to me. A leather sofa or sleek low-profile coffee table with a steel base can instantly set the tone. Next, pay attention to lighting. Industrial-style floor lamps or pendant lights in black or antique brass add drama and depth. Try warm, ambient bulbs to create a cozy vibe at night. Now, textiles matter too. Go for heavy drapes, textured rugs, and throw pillows in suede, linen, or velvet. Just stick to solid colors or simple patterns like pinstripes or plaid. You don't see a ton of floral prints in this style. Doesn't mean you can't. You just have to make it almost like a dark and moody floral print for it to flow. Wall art should be intentional. Black and white photography is huge. Abstract pieces with strong lines or vintage maps can add character without cluttering up your space. And don't forget greenery. Structured plants like snake plants or rubber trees add life without taking away from the sleekness of this style. So who is this style for? I know, of course, the name masculine home decor is just going to tell you it's just for men. But really it's for anyone who appreciates order, simplicity, and a timeless character. While it's often associated with men's spaces, it's definitely not exclusive to them. This style works great in modern apartments, urban lofts, or even suburban homes with open floor plans. It's easy to scale up or down, whether you're decorating a full living room or just creating a masculine-inspired office nook. And with the growing trend of gender-neutral interiors, masculine decor continues to rise in popularity because of its focus on form, function, and a lived-in, curated feel. So first off, I want to thank you so much for spending a little time with me today on Home Decor 101. If you're drawn to bold, refined, and functional spaces, masculine decor might be the perfect direction for you. Whether you're starting from scratch or just looking to bring in a few key pieces, you can absolutely make this look your own. Once again, don't forget to check out the description box below for links to hand-picked masculine style decor you can grab right on Amazon. Check out the pieces that I picked for you. I made it super easy for you. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on future home styling ideas and inspiration. And before I go, I wanted to show you a few of my favorite rooms that we've shown, especially this one. I love this one. But yeah, these are just a few of the rooms that I thought were really awesome that I would not mind having. But before I go, whether masculine home decor is for you or you absolutely can't stand it, remember the best thing you can have in your home is a sense of gratitude. A little happiness in there too. Alright friends, I'll see you in the next one.